On Friday, the 2nd of April, the day after Fossil Fool's Day, maybe 75 riders took part in DC's Critical Mass bike ride, visiting, among other things, the Cherry Blossom Festival and all those tourists in their cars. Very substantial Critical Mass ride. Who's blocking traffic now? It ain't the bikers that are blocking traffic. And this is pretty cool. We have a loaded pedicab in the Critical Mass. Got 2 people on board for the ride. Probably never seen anything like this before. There could be 75 riders here or more. Quite a pack.